Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that just tap on the sounds and vibration. Then here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the left side with this white dot. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that just click here on the settings icon. Then you'll see the same ringtone volume panel, and now just to mute your device ringtone you should slide to the left side this blue dot with your finger, and to save the changes click here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.